Hey guys, what's up? It's Android Critics from AndroidCritics.com, and in this video I'll be showing you the brand new leaked S4 wallpapers, ringtones, and the new S-Voice app exclusive to the Samsung Galaxy S4. Now first off, if you look at my home screen, you will see that I'm using the S4 wallpaper, and if you go to my lock screen, I'm also using the brand new HD high quality S4 wallpaper. Now if you go to my gallery app, you can see that I have 7 S4 wallpapers and they're all very high quality. And it's a nice change from the previous wallpapers. Now if you take a look at the S-Voice app, you can see that it has a new icon. Now S-Voice is really revamped and now it can compete with Siri. Now before, I did believe Siri was better than S-Voice, and Google Now was better than Siri, but I think S-Voice is now on par. Who is the President of the United States?
Barack Obama.
And if I tap on more, you can see it shows a picture. And it also is using Wolfram Alpha. Also, what S-Voice can do, open up settings.
Opening up settings.
You'll open up settings just like so. Now overall, that's S-Voice. It's revamped, it has a lot of new features, and it can finally compete with Siri, and it is no longer a joke. Now to get the new Galaxy S4 wallpapers, you're going to go to the link in the description down below. And then you'll see that there's the 7 new S4 wallpapers. And to download it, all you'll have to do is just simply choose one of the wallpapers. So say for example this one. And then what you're going to do is just simply tap and hold, save image. Once you do that, it'll take you into the gallery app. And to set the wallpaper, all you have to do is just simply tap and hold and set wallpaper for home screen. Now to get the leaked S-Voice app, all you have to do is go into settings, security, and then make sure unknown sources is checked. Then what you're going to do is go to AndroidCritics.com in the web browser, and then simply click on the APK. And then you're just going to go ahead and press regular download. And then you can just go ahead and download it. And once it's finished downloading, you'll simply tap on it, and then you can just open it, and you'll have the new S-Voice APK. So thank you for watching this video on how to get the new S4 wallpapers, ringtones, and the new S-Voice app. Now to get all three, there will be a written post, and it will be the first link in the description down below. So go ahead and check that out. Also, please be sure to subscribe, like this video. Please follow me on Twitter, twitter.com/AndroidCritics. Please like my Facebook fan page at facebook.com/AndroidCritics. Also, go ahead and like this video as I know you watch. And feel free to email me at androidcritics@gmail.com for all your Android questions. And go ahead and check out AndroidCritics.com for the latest Android news, reviews, and more. And thanks for watching.